Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And Acer Nitro closing app automatically. So how to fix? So guys, first click to start, type run, then type power cfg dot cpl. Then click to change and set never. Okay, then click to save changes and then close it. Then next method, disable battery saver mode. Click to start, go to setting, then click to system, then power and battery, turn off, scroll down. So this is battery saver, click and turn off. You can set manual after 20 and 30. So 30 it's good, then close it. Next, so disable usb suspective suspensions. So click to start, type powershell, right click to run as administrator, then click yes, and then click to type this. Okay, power cnfn hyphen turn off and then hit enter, then close it. Now again open for this the repair corrupted power setting. So click to start, type powershell again and type this one command. Okay, restore default like this and then hit enter. So this command has been accepted, then close it. Then guys, last and very important, kindly follow this, and after that complete and restart your system and then please check it. Click on start, then type cmd, run as administrator, right click to, after that click on yes. Then this four command I will give you in the descriptions. This is most important for the resolve the issue. Just copy and type it. If it is not copy, so you have to type to manual. So this is first command, and all the 100% completed. After that try next command, so it is completed. Then next, first, second, third and fourth, so one by one try it. So if it is stuck, so you just click here and then type enter. Okay, and then restart your system and then check it.